Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm happy to be doing another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing two Milani products. And these are fairly new on the market. And this one's the Milani Ludicrous Lights Highlighter, along with the matching eyelid topper. And there are currently two other colors along this line, which is, I believe it's a purple one and a pink one, and these are the peach ones. So I'm going to do a first impressions on them, do product review, and I'm going to try them out for you and let you know my thoughts. So if you want to know more about them, stick around. Okay, so let's talk about this highlighter, this beautiful highlighter. I walked down the aisle, the Walgreens, and I was just looking at, you know, they have like a new product section with all new upcoming products, and I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta have this. So I'll give you guys a close-up look of the product to see how beautiful it is. I mean, it is just gorgeous. It's it has dual chrome on it, so that's why you can see like the shifting colors. It is just gorgeous. So if I like this product, I'm going back for the pink one as well. Yeah. So let me do a quick swatch on this on my finger and then on my hand so you guys can see. Look at how beautiful that is. That is so glistening. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. So let me just give it a swipe. And I think here it comes out a little sheen, but it's very pretty. Yeah. I just wonder how it's gonna look on my cheekbone. So let's give this a swipe and see how it looks. Wow, it's very, very pretty. I don't know if you can see it. I'm hoping it's showing up. Wow. If you like glitter, you're gonna love this. Yeah, I'm already loving it. It's beautiful. Here maybe you might not be able to see it very much, but I know on the other side I saw it a bit more. Let's see. Guys, it's kind of subtle. It's sheer for sure, but you could still see it, which I think so looks very nice. Yeah. So, here, let me put some down my nose. You can see it a little bit right there. Looks nice. Some here. Yeah, it's very subtle, but you could see it a little bit. All right, it's nice. It does feel very light, like just powdery, but a light powder. Yeah. And let me see if it's got like, it's got no scent. So yeah, it's really pretty though. I like how it looks. All right, let's move on to the eye topper. This is supposed to be a matching eye topper. Does look very pretty too. Ludicrous Lights. So this is how the topper looks. And let's do a swatch here, right next to the highlighter swatch. Okay, definitely the eye topper. It's a little more, it's got more color, a little more intensity to it. But definitely it's like a matching color, which is a bit more intensified, I think. It does look very pretty. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. All right, so let's, let me put this on one of my eyelids. Let's put it here. Let's see how this one. Wow, guys, look at that. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm liking this. Just in case you're wondering what eyeshadow palette I'm wearing the Sugarpill Capsule, the pink one that just came out. Yeah, so I made that look. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that, let me know. Comment down below, and I'll be happy to make this tutorial so you guys can see, you know how to do this look, or just kind of see how the look is made. The eye topper is very pretty. Definitely, I think it's kind of like too sheer here. Like if you just didn't have any eyeshadow, probably not show very much. I think you would have to put some eyeshadow and then put this on top. And I think that the glitter then the color would kind of stand out. So yeah, I think you definitely have to wear some eyeshadow and then put this, just some like glitter. But yeah, I'm liking both of them. They're very pretty. It doesn't feel heavy either on the eye. Feels doesn't feel heavy. I know I've tried other eye toppers where it just kind of feel a little heavier. Like I know like the lime crime, those you can definitely feel some weight a little bit to those eye toppers. This one, no, I can't. It's very light. Don't even know it's there, but it's beautiful. So yeah, I like them. I like them both. This one is just, you know, if you're just wanting something subtle, because it's not gonna come up. It's not gonna come out very blingy. It's not. Just like a subtle sheer look, but that's about it. But it's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, if you're the type that likes subtle, sheer makeup, that will be perfect for you. All right, everyone. Well, this concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you like beauty items like I do, click the notification bell down there below. And if you like this this video, please give it a thumbs up. So until then, I'll see you in a different video. Bye.